Savor's made an advance in the chemistry. It's ultra different in terms of the environmental footprint.
What if I told you that butter, the creamy, golden food we've known for centuries, could soon be made without cows, farms, or even plants? Sound impossible, right? But one billionaire has already put his money into making it happen. Yes, Bill Gates is funding a project to create butter out of thin air. And once you understand how it works, you'll realize this isn't just about butter. It's about reshaping the entire food industry. Stay with me till the end, because what Savor is building could change your dinner plate forever. Meet Savor, a California-based startup with a bold vision to produce butter without agriculture. Not from milk, not from soybeans, not from almonds, literally from carbon dioxide pulled out of the air. The process sounds like science fiction, but it's real. Savor uses thermochemical reactions, combining carbon dioxide with hydrogen extracted from water. With the right heat, pressure, and catalyst, they transform these gases into fatty acids, the same building blocks found in dairy fat. Blend them together, and you get butter that looks, tastes, and melts like the real thing, but without a single cow in sight. So why is Bill Gates interested? For years, he has warned that the world's food system is a major driver of climate change. Cows alone produce enormous amounts of methane. Farms require vast land and water, and traditional dairy is expensive to sustain. Gates' investment arm, Breakthrough Energy Ventures, believes that innovations like Savor could slash greenhouse gas emissions and free up farmland, while still feeding billions of people. On paper, it's not just a butter alternative. It's a climate solution. But here's where the controversy begins. Savor's fake butter raises big questions. If food no longer comes from farms, but from labs, who controls it? Right now, Savor is backed by some of the most powerful investors in the world. If companies like this succeed, food production could shift from rural farmers to high-tech labs owned by billionaires and corporations. Critics worry this might not just save the planet. It could also centralize control of our food supply in ways we've never seen before. Farmers are already uneasy. Dairy cooperatives argue that lab-made butter threatens their livelihoods. Imagine generations of families who survived by milking cows suddenly replaced by a stainless steel machine making butter out of thin air. Lobbyists are pushing to restrict how products like Savors are labeled, insisting they can't even use the word butter. To them, this isn't innovation. It's disruption on a dangerous scale. Still, early tasters claim Savor's butter is shockingly close to the real thing. The texture, the richness, even the melt on warm bread. Most people wouldn't notice the difference. And that's the game changer. If ordinary consumers can't tell lab butter apart from dairy butter, then big food companies may switch to it quietly. Within a few years, you could be eating cookies, cakes, and croissants made with carbon-based butter without even knowing it. The big question is, when will this arrive on shelves? Savor has announced plans to launch commercially as early as 2025, pending regulatory approval. If successful, it won't stop with butter. The same process can be used to make cheese, cream, and even chocolate fats. In other words, Savor isn't just about replacing butter. It's about rewriting the chemistry of the entire food industry. So, is Bill Gates saving the planet with this butter from air project, or is he laying the foundation for billionaire control over what we eat? That's the debate no one can ignore. For some, it's the most exciting innovation of our time. For others, it's a warning sign that food is moving from farms to corporations. One thing is clear. The next time you spread butter on your toast, you may want to ask, is this from a cow or from the sky?